Dear students, today let's discuss the last part of our chapter, mensuration. The topic is area. At the end of this module, you will be able to understand more about area. Some more word problems today we have to discuss. The first question is, five square flower beds, each of sides 1 meter, are dug on a piece of land 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. What is the area of the remaining part of the land? Once again, 5 square flower beds, 5 square shaped flower beds, each of sides 1 meter, are dug on a piece of land 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. We need to find the area of remaining part. For finding the remaining part, we have to use subtraction, right? Okay, first we have to find the area of 1 square flower bed. We know area of square flower bed, square equal to side into side. Here side is 1 meter. 1 into 1 equal to 1 meter square. This is only area of 1 square flower bed. Here we have given 5 square flower bed. So area of 5 square flower bed equal to 5 into 1. 5 into 1 is 5 meter square. Next we find the area of the given land. Length into breadth, L into B. Area of land equal to L into B. L is 5, B is 4. 5 into 4 equal to 20 meter square. Next we have to find the area of remaining part. For this we subtract these two values. Remaining part of the land equal to area of the land minus area of 5 square flower bed. 20 minus 5 equal to 15 meter square. This is the area of remaining part. The next two questions are very special questions. Listen. By splitting the following figures into rectangles, find their areas. The measures are given in centimeters. We have given figures. This is the given figure. We have to find the area of this figure. How we find the area of this figure? For this, we split the figures into rectangles or squares. We have to split into rectangles or squares. That as we needed. Like this. You can split like this. Listen here. All the measurements are given. This is 3, 4 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2, 3, 1. This also 2 centimeter because the whole length is 4 centimeter. This is the, when we split like this, this is the half of 4, that is 2. Like here, look here. This part is one rectangle. Then grey color. We split like this. Grey color, one square, because the side is 3. Up to here 2. Then the remaining orange color is 1 centimeter. So total 3. Next here you can see a small rectangle in orange color. Then the remaining is yellow color. Next we have to find the areas of these three shapes. Rectangle, square, rectangle, square. We need to find all the areas. Then add the 4 areas. Listen, first one, area of yellow region. The total here is given 4 centimeter. But we split here like this. 1 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Total 4. So the side of yellow region is 3 centimeter. And length and breadth are same, 3 into 3, that is 9 centimeter square. Next we move to orange. This is 2 and 1. Length into breadth 2 into 1. We can write it as area of orange region is 2 into 1 or 1 into 2 equal to 2 centimeter square. Next let's move to grey region. 3 centimeter. This is 3. Here up to 2 and 1 more. 1 centimeter more. Total 3. 2 plus 1. This is 1. 1 centimeter, same as this side. 1 centimeter. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So area of gray region equal to 3 into 3, side into side, 9 centimeter square. Next, let's move to our red color. This is 4 and 2 because this is half. When we cut through this line, this is the half of 4. That is 4 into 2 or 2 into 4, that's equal to 8. Next step, we have to add these 4 measurements. Total area equal to 9 plus 2 plus 9 plus 8. Total is 28 centimeter square. Dear students, this is a new question for you. So you watch this video again and again, then only you can understand it well. Okay, next one more question in this session, B question. This is the given figure. Rectangle, rectangle, rectangle. We divide this. We split this figure into this shape. You can see now 3 shapes. Rectangle, another rectangle, third rectangle. This is 4 and 1. 4, not 4, 3. 3 centimeter and breadth 1. Here the orange shaped, the orange region 1. We know this side is 1 centimeter. So this also 1 centimeter. Width is 1 centimeter. Here 3 centimeter is given in the question. Here same as 3 and 1. So first area of red region, 3 into 1 equal to length into breadth, 3 centimeter square. Next orange region also 3 and 1. 3 into 1 equal to 3 centimeter square. Gray region also 3 into 1. You don't remember, this is not 2. 2 plus 1. Total 3. That is same as red color. 3 into 1 is 3 centimeter square. Next you add these 3 areas. 3 plus 3 plus 3 equal to 9 centimeter square. Next let's move to our last question. This type of question, split the following shapes into rectangles and find their areas. Very simple question. An L-shaped figure. We split this into 2 shapes, 2 rectangles like this. Here you can see length 12, breadth, that is width 2. Here the first rectangle 12 into 2. Second, if we take this region, total this is 10. Then width is 2. So 10 minus 2 we will get 8 centimeter. Width is same as 2. So first we find the area of blue region, 12 into 2, that is 24 centimeter square. Next yellow region, 8 into 8 is given in the question, 8. 8 into 2 same, that is 16 centimeter square. Next total area equal to 24 plus 16 equal to 40 centimeter square. Dear children, that's all for today. And you have 2 TMLAs like this splitting. So you should do in your notebook. Next you have one follow-up activity. The question is, listen, what is the difference between the smallest prime number and smallest composite number? What is the difference between smallest prime number and smallest composite number? First you find smallest prime number. Then you find smallest composite number. Then find the difference. That is, then you subtract that 2 numbers. Then you will get the answer. Okay children, that's all for today. Thank you.